Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. We're the leading supplier of golf cart covers, carrying the widest selection and the best golf cart cover brands on the market. If you're looking for a high-performance, long-lasting golf cart cover, then look no further than the Goldline heavy-duty golf cart cover. Goldline golf cart covers are available in several patterns to fit various golf cart manufacturers and come in a variety of colors. Backed with a 5-year warranty, Goldline golf cart covers represent outstanding performance and protection. They are handmade with Marinex woven polyester boat cover fabric and are engineered to provide years of outdoor performance in harsh environments. They're perfect for extended exposure to the elements and UV rays. Covers come with sewn-in shock cord in the hem, rear air vents, and convenient zipper for easy entry and install. They also feature heavy-duty reinforced corners and quick-release web straps to secure the cover in place. Goldline golf cart covers represent outstanding value and performance. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.